In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post buy or sell crypto ads on Binance P2p, providing a simple guide for beginners in this 2025 edition. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Once you're on the platform, navigate to the trade section and select P2p. P2p stands for peer-to-peer and it allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with another person. It's a great way to have more control over your trades and is particularly useful if you want competitive rates. Once you're in the P2P section, look for and tap on Ads. From there, proceed to Post Ad. This is where the real action begins. Deciding whether you want to post an ad to buy or sell is your next big step, so take a moment to think about what you want to achieve. For instance, if you're looking to purchase some cryptocurrency, you'll choose Buy. On the other hand, if you're interested in selling, click Sell. It's as straightforward as that, but being clear on what you want to do is crucial. Now let's talk about setting your price. This part is pretty critical because it determines how attractive your offer will be to other traders. Consider checking the current market trends to set a competitive price. You don't want to set it too high if you're buying, but also not too low if you're selling. Choose your payment method next. Binance offers several options, so select one that suits you best, whether it's through bank transfer, PayPal, or any other supported method. Alongside this, you'll need to set your trading limits. This specifies the minimum and maximum amount you are willing to transact in a single deal. Setting these limits helps you manage your exposure and ensures the deals you get fit within your financial scope. With the price, payment method, and limit set, it's time to enter your trade terms. This is your opportunity to fill in any specific details or conditions you have for the trade. Think of it as the fine print. Maybe you want to specify a particular time frame for completing the transaction, or perhaps you have some preferences for how communication should be handled. Whatever you choose, make sure it's clear and concise to avoid any misunderstandings. Finally, once everything is set to your satisfaction, you're ready to post your ad. Just tap post to make your ad go live. It's a satisfying moment as you prepare to engage with the crypto community. Remember, a well thought out ad not only attracts more interest but also streamlines the trading process. And that's it, you've just learned how to post buy or sell ads on Binance P2p. Hopefully this guide made the process easy and clear for you. Thanks for watching and happy trading on Binance P2p.